Welcome back, everyone, to another latest SpaceX update video. Unfortunately, we've had some bad news from Starbase. SpaceX's recent attempts for a static fire test on Super Heavy Booster 10 didn't go as planned. The root cause, whether it's the ground system or the booster itself, remains unclear. SpaceX crews are already working to resolve the issue. Additionally, the Raptor maintenance platform has been brought in at the orbital launch mount. But the turnaround time from rolling out the booster and prepping it for static fire test is incredibly impressive compared to last time. Looking ahead, checking the road closure schedule suggests that the SpaceX team will take a short holiday break and then resume testing after Christmas. Their dedication is commendable, especially considering the busy year filled with pad upgrades and 2 successful Starship launches. Kudos to everyone involved, truly shaping the future of humanity. Although SpaceX might miss reaching the 100 launch milestone this year, the morning saw the successful launch of the 93rd mission. The Starlink 632 mission soared atop the Falcon 9 booster B1058, a record-breaking fleet leader on its 19th flight.
Falcon 9. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
A batch of 23 satellites hitched a ride into orbit from SLC-40 in Florida. Post-stage separation, the booster gracefully returned to Earth, making an impeccable landing on the drone ship. Just read the instructions for the 19th time. This booster is a true workhorse, and I think it can continue well past the certified limit of 20 flights. Another Falcon 9 mission, the Sarah 2 mission to launch 2 German military satellites built by OHB System, which was supposed to be launched this morning from SLC-4E in California, has been delayed until tomorrow for additional vehicle pre-flight checks. This will be SpaceX's 94th Falcon mission of the year. That's a wrap for this update. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.